Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good day today and welcome back to my another video. Do you want to get Cydia without Jailbreak? If you do, I will show you how to get Cydia without Jailbreak, iOS 17 supported. For example, I'm using my iPhone 14 Pro with iOS 17 devices. Cydia app is a package manager app that allows the iOS users to download these apps which are not from App Store. Now, the question crops up that how Cydia can help you install such apps. Well, Cydia app makes use of advanced packing tool, a PT repositories to help you install such apps on their device. Open your browser, go to search Misaka Tamago like this video. Misaka is alternative Cydia without Jailbreak. The purpose of this application is to give iPhone users the ability to customize their phones without a jailbreak. At this time, we have over 24 default repositories and more than 400 tweaks available. Versions supported. You can download the latest version of Misaka from here. Misaka is a tweak manager for McDirty Cow exploits, allowing you to easily modify iOS without jailbreak. Download Misaka, IPA for iOS 15 and iOS 17. Or you can scroll it to bottom for more information. Click More Releases. Click the Misaka version 3.3.2. For direct install, then click Open. After Open, click Install. It make you installation on your home screen menu. Make sure it finished like this video, for you can open the Misaka apps. Click the Misaka apps for Open. If cannot open like this video, untrusted. Go to your setting menu, General Setting, VPN and Device Management. Click Trust. And go back to your home screen menu to open that Misaka apps. Make allow the Misaka apps. Next, on this Misaka apps. Also, you can install TrollStore with Misaka. Also, you can install TrollStore apps with Misaka if you need TrollStore. TrollStore is a perma-signed jailed app that can permanently install any IP open in it. It works because of an AMFI or Core Trust bug where iOS does not correctly verify code signatures of binaries in which there are multiple signers. In here, I will try to install Cydia tweak with Misaka. In Misaka apps, have many menu of features like favorite apps, news, sources, packages or emulate, and file manager plus. Make sure install tweak that's supported with your iOS version devices. For example, I will get pip status bar sysinfo. Click confirm like this video for sure. Checklist this apps after installation was finished and make yes for allow. Look, the pip status bar sysinfo was successfully installed and running normally, so easy right. I hope you can get Cydia without jailbreak like this tutorial. If you having a ask, you can comment on this video for sure. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and see you next on my another video.